no longer need to make an appointment to tour their favorite firehouse. Today in Nassau County, firemen broke ground on a new firehouse museum. Our Long Island reporter Jess Duran was there for the groundbreaking ceremony.
You're looking at the future home of the Nassau County Firefighters Museum and Education Center. The groundbreaking ceremony was held today at Hangar Number 2, just a hop step away from the Cradle Aviation Museum.
All the school children will be coming here because it's part of their curriculum to get 45 minutes of education per month. And they'll be coming here to get that fire service education.
The museum will be named after Frank Pendle, a fireman who dedicated 50 years of service to the Bethpage Fire Department. Sadly, Pendle died before seeing his dream center go up. If he's looking upon this now, what would he think?
Oh my goodness, it's finally happening. It's finally happening. His children always worked with him, and they're all going to be here tonight, and they're just thrilled.
This 5,000 square foot educational facility won't just be housing these old fire trucks. There's also going to be a theater where children can learn about fire safety, fire prevention, and get to talk to some of the experienced firefighters. How do you feel about this center going up?
Terrific. It gives the volunteers initiative to take care of their vehicles and the apparatus, It's very important,
Frank's widow says the museum was Frank's lifelong vision to preserve the history of the fire department so that children would always have a place to be enriched.
And youth should be trained to protect themselves in fire, and firemen should be appreciated by the public. And he felt this was a way of doing it.
This will be the only center in Long Island where kids will be able to learn about fire safety. The $4 million museum is expected to open later this year. In Garden City, Jess Duran, RNN.
Okay, thanks, Jess. Sports is next on RNN Metro. Kevin Connors joins us, and Kev, it looks like the Nets won't be getting their